What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Mini Cooper. This is a 2016 Mini Cooper S. So if you have this same setup, then this will work for you. There's also a couple other of service settings that you can reset while doing this, but just stick along and I'll show you how to do it all. First, you need to have the car off and then just go ahead and put it in accessory mode. So 1, 2, hit that sucker twice, let everything load up, and then while you're on this main screen, go ahead and hold the trip button until you see that. And then what you can do is, you have a couple options here. I can't remember if that's coolant or brake fluid. I think it's the brake fluid. You have a overall service, your oil change. Here's your oil change. So what you want to do is, and by the way, you should never wait 12,000 miles to do an oil change, but go ahead and hold this down. And the reason it says impossible for me is because I just reset it. But what you got to do is just hold it and then hit the button again. Yours will say reset possible, and then you hold it, it'll say service resetting, and then boom, you're all done. So that's how you do that, and it's the same with every other option here. All of mine are reset because all the services have been done. If you also want to check stuff, you can also go here to see what you have and what's going on right here. So here's all your stuff, everything's okay. Click on it, it'll tell you the specified date. Inspection, I set mine for September. You can set that right there by going to change date. Yeah, so here's all your stuff, and I really hope this video helped someone out. So thanks for tuning in. My name is Motorcyclist, and I'm out. Peace.